So now I'm going to show you just exactly how you put sub areas right underneath the state page, or the not the state page, the state square here amongst this grid. And we're going to go over how exactly you add more sub areas down here. So right here we have Contra, we have Sanders, we have Grand Canyon Estates. I'm going to show you just exactly how we do that with the second. So head over to this URL right here, this editor. Go over to the sidebar right here and click on text columns with images. First thing you're going to do is look at what we have here. So on the first column, we have all these sub areas. And as you can see, these are areas that have a hyperlink attached to it. And they're attached to different collection pages that have the properties. So first off, we're going to add a picture for the next column. So click on that. And for right now, we're just going to use any image that we're going to find from, let's see here. We'll select something from nature. There we go. Let's see. We'll use something like this. We'll just stick to that for now. I know it's not symmetrical, but you're going to have to bear with me. So let's say we have that, okay? And let's say we had a few areas that we wanted to add. We had Fresno. We have, let's see, Bakersfield. And we have Little Tokyo. Let's say we wanted to add links to different collections here. First off, we're going to create a collection page. And to do that, open up a new tab right here. Grab this URL all the way up to where it says admin. Copy that. Go over to the next tab and copy and paste. Once you do that, you're going to go over to products. Click on products. Now, click on collections. Now, press on create collection. And we're going to name this Fresno. And we're just going to put something random for the description. All products that go into Fresno belong in this collection. And let's change this to properties, just so it's more clear. What this is going to do is once I create this collection, when I click on save, it wants me to add a condition. So we're going to say that all properties that have the product title equal to or starts with any name such as Fresno will belong in this collection. And so any properties that we make, let's say we added a product and this product was a Fresno property. Let's say we created this product. It would automatically go to that collection because it had the word Fresno in it. So let me show you. Let's add the link to this, the link of the collection, and link it up to Fresno. So we're going to highlight it like this, and we're going to click this chain right here. And we're going to head over to collections, and we're going to go scroll down until we find our collection. In this case, it's here. So once we link that up, we can click save. Now this link is clickable. When I click on this link, it's going to bring up the collection page that's labeled Fresno. And whatever property that has the name Fresno in it shows up. So this is a collection of all the properties within the area of Fresno. As you can see, it's right here.